62 Green Avenue in Fort Greene, Brooklyn. Quite the project. We started upstairs. I just wanted to show the extent of the water damage. We talked about the roof and the water coming through. Well, this is 5 floors down, and you can see how it's rotted all of the light fixtures out. Obvious damage to the walls and ceiling. Exterior door with broken glass. Look at this. It's sort of a look in and of itself, right? All of this chipping paint. And this thing freaks me out. Every time I walk in here, I walk into this and I think it's a giant spider or something. But I think there's some good bones here. Like, check out this giant radiator. I could sandblast this down and bring it back to its original form. Speaking of which, let's take a look outside to get a better handle on the building. It's an old brownstone built in the late 1800s. And let's look outside. Okay, so traditional brownstone has 2 entrances. One under the staircase, which is typically a rental unit or for in-law suite. And that's how I'll restore it. Back to having a rental or in-law suite down below, and then the main parlor floor and 4 floors above. But it's a beauty. You can see the condition. I mean, it's a beautiful building, but look at the brownstone that is just falling apart. All of these details. So I'll restore all of this, the sills, the lintels, the woodwork here, the wrought iron. We'll sandblast that, bring it back to its original beauty. And I got a price to do the entire facade, $80,000. I was a little shocked. But part of the reason, and I'll get other prices, but part of the reason is historic landmarks require having these silver flecks. It's a little bit hard to see, but there's a little silver sparkle to the brownstone, and there's a certain way of getting that, of restoring that, and craftsmen that do that quite well. So you pay for it. But this is all cast iron as well, all original. The gate. Evidently, somebody stole all the gates back in the 60s or 70s, and this one is original. All throughout Brooklyn. I don't know if it's true, but I'm going with it. These are all inside. Let's take a look at the street and the beautiful detail. The stairs, the gardens. Really cool. I'm excited. The front entrance. So when you open up, so next week we'll take a look at the parlor floor. When you come into these, back in the late 1800s, it was quite spectacular. High ceilings, really cool doorways and entranceways and halls and staircases. So we'll see you next week.